today we are going to be doing a British candy slash snacks haul. We already hit up Tesco for all your shopping needs. So we can just trade off pulling them out, like announcing them. And do we want to eat them after we?
Yeah, we eat them. I feel like we eat them. As we eat them now.
Okay. You want to go first?
Okay. The first thing we have, I'm really excited about, are Watsits. Really cheesy flavor. They look kind of like Cheetos on the back.
We'll be the judge of that. Yeah, also, we aren't British, so shopping for these was kind of rough. We weren't sure if these are typical, so let us know in the comments if you're British.
Okay. Here they are.
Oh. We gotta get that grain in the can. Oh yeah, that's them.
They do look like Cheetos.
I'm not sure where the food is. I feel like I just ate a piece of flavored air. You know, you breathe in before you eat the Cheeto. That's what that was.
Yeah, they're kind of like Cheeto Puffs, but with less cheese. They're like weirdly sweeter.
Yeah, yeah. And they're so small. I don't eat macaroni.
I just like macaroni.
Not bad.
Do you want to rate it out of like 5?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay. I'd give it like a 3 out of 5. Because I'd like eat it, but I wouldn't like go for it.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 is good. You want to do a salty or a savory?
Maybe a sweet one.
Okay, sweet. We tried to do a nice healthy mix. We can call it healthy.
Big health food.
Let's see this one. Revels. I was watching one of those snack box reveals, and I think that Revels was in the like British one. I'm pretty sure that this is legit. Look at the drop. Thank you. Oh, they all look very much the same.
Okay, well, I guess we're just gonna
Blind taste test.
Yeah. I'll guess what it is after.
There's some that are actually circular. There's some that are more disc. I'll do a disc like one.
Okay.
Mine's a raisin.
Why is it chocolate? That's like, it tastes like a Malteser.
Oh, it is.
Mine was literally just a Malteser, which I've already tried.
Oh,
Yours
no.
was raisin. Let me try a different one. A Jisker? I don't want a raisin though. Ladder. This is probably gonna be a raisin.
Yeah.
I don't even like raisins.
Maya's scones have had like 4 times as many raisins as they should. These are good.
I like them.
Out of 5? Like 4.5.
This one?
Oh, what? Yeah. Ah!
This one's toffee, I think. Or is it like orange or?
It was just an orange, you were right. The orange that I just had like burst. I bit into it and I thought it was gonna be a Malteser.
Like a gusher?
Yeah. That was like it felt like dust. Yeah.
It's weird.
Ooh. Okay, I'm knocking it down to a 4 because this is an orange.
Yeah.
The chocolate in that's really soft.
You want to go for our eggs now?
Okay.
These are Kinder Surprise eggs. They're supposed to have a toy inside, and they're not legal in the US because of choking hazard.
So.
This is exciting.
Kinder ASMR.
I don't know if we split them in half or just bite into it. I think we can split it in half.
I'm gonna go for it.
Here, you go for it.
Oh, it's like warm.
You split it in half and there's this little yolk inside that appears to have, it's yummy chocolate.
I got Kinder Egg gelato when we were in Italy. It pretty much tastes like this actually. They did a good job.
I think I got some race cars. I have like 3. So I got a race car set.
Reckless abandon. Oh! I'm excited. Dude, where's your nose? I got a monkey set.
Oh my god, it's like a transformer.
He's got no nose. I think his nose comes through here somehow. Oof. TBD.
The 2 separate little cars are actually attachments for the one car. Pretty sick.
Sick.
I like this.
Yeah. 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
This is
great for kids.
Yeah, this is the bar.
Look how cute. You're making my finger.
Like this. I don't want them all anyways. Oh, this is wine gummies.
I'm just gonna go with the one. I usually like the clear flavor.
I usually like the orange ones. I'm like trying to eat it, but it's not like
Very chewy.
yeah.
It tastes like a pineapple gummy bear, which is, I like them, so.
Mine just tastes like orange wet cardboard. I don't like it at all.
I think I'd give it a 3 out of 5. I like it as much as I like the waffles.
1 out of 5. I don't like that at all. That was not good.
Next we're gonna go for the mini cheddars.
I'm like spitting that out.
Oh god. I'm hoping this is like Cheez-Its. I just need a break from this.
Yeah, me too.
They do not look like Cheez-Its. Kind of like Ritz crackers. These are original flavor. Ready?
It tastes a lot like a Ritz cracker.
Mm-hmm.
Like a cheesy Ritz cracker.
Oh, they're not super cheesy.
Subtle.
You know the Ritz cheese sandwiches?
Yeah.
It's like that, but it's not a sandwich. It's
Yeah.
like the flavor of that.
Less cheese.
I give it a 3.5.
Yeah.
I like it better than Watsits, but not not as much as I was hoping to.
Yeah. I agree. 3.5. I'm always partial to cheese flavored things. Remember the frogs?
Oh yeah, that was another one that we lost together.
Oh, sweet. We'll split them in half. Who's the head? Who's the butt?
I'll have the butt.
Freddo! It is Dairy Milk, one of the Cadbury brand things. Maya wants the butt. Oh, it's very melty.
Oh, it's really melty. Oh my god. Tastes like Cadbury chocolate.
Very smooth. It just reminds me of Easter.
I'd say about the British chocolate we've tried, it's a lot softer than American chocolate. Which, like, I don't know. I like it. I like the taste better. The texture, it melts really easily.
Yeah. It almost feels grainy kind of too. A little bit.
It's weird.
Sorry, Freddo.
I give it like a 3. It's good chocolate, but like, it's just chocolate.
Yeah. I kind of like chocolate with like other things. So I'd give it like a 3.
Okay. Next we have these Tesco brand shortcake biscuits. Very classic British thing, I think. I know they're Tesco brand.
Yeah. Tesco's British.
Tesco is the closest store to where we live, so.
And Sainsbury's.
Sainsbury's, yeah.
Okay. There were a lot of different flavors of this. The shortcake biscuits, light and crumbly is what we got. Doesn't taste like much.
It's like they're kind of confused. It's like metal cookie tins.
Yeah, and you're like,
But without the extra sugar.
very flaky. There's a lot of them and they were pretty cheap, which I like. I feel like it'd be good with something else. I think that's what shortbread's kind of meant to
With
be.
like tea.
This would be really yummy with tea.
I'll give it a 4.
Yeah, 4.
It's yummy.
It is what it is, and it's doing it good. You are what you are. Shortbread. It's light and crumbly. True to his word. I love it.
We're like roasting Watsits. We're like, I think I'm gonna eat some more.
They're so bad. I think Walkers are the Lays of the UK. Is that right?
I'm chewing.
Oh, Cadbury Heroes, some more Cadbury. I saw, again, one of those like unboxing of different snacks from different places, and this has a Whisper in it, which I think was in the package that I watched them open. This is also pretty cheap. Everybody said that the UK was expensive, but I've been pleasantly surprised.
They're mini size. I thought they would be like full size. But I'm down.
Yeah, they're about this big, and there's lots of different types in it.
If I dump these on the floor, is that a bad thing?
Yeah.
Found a Whisper.
Yay! I'm really excited about this one. They liked it.
Okay, what is it? What is a Whisper?
They said it was crunchy.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, crunch. Oh,
It's not cool.
it's not crunchy. It's light and airy.
It's just kind of plain chocolate to me. For that reason, I'd give it another 3.
I give it a 4. Yes,
I want to try eclairs.
Mm.
The only knowledge I have about this is that it contains milk on the wrapper.
Yeah.
Shout out to Hannah Venera, don't eat this. It looks like caramel, which I love. I think there might be chocolate inside.
It's like I have to open my mouth really wide to chew it. I think I'd give it a 3 just because of the extra effort I have to take in eating it.
I give it a 4.5. I like caramel.
No. Nice.
Okay, what are we going for next?
Who wants it?
Provide man.
What did I give that?
3.
I gave it a 3. You redo it. Abolishment! I abolished the previous installment of the rule for 3. It's now a 4.
It tastes a lot better after you've had like a shit ton of chocolate.
Yeah, that's true. Twirl. I thought it said twirt.
Wirt.
Contains milk. Again! Why would you buy milk chocolate?
Getting milky up here.
If you have a milk allergy, don't eat milk chocolate. Oh. What? So freaking. It's just like.
It's like if you made sawdust out of chocolate and filled a chocolate bar with it.
Look at that. Is that gross? I can't tell, but I'm gonna do it anyways. That's wild.
I gave that a 2.
I like it. It's not any different than a Whispo. Maybe a little bit. So I'll give it a 4 as well.
I'm gonna go for a fudge.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm all chocolated out.
I know. There's so much.
Yeah. It's like you know when you have kids.
Relatable.
Yeah. And the first one gets all the attention, you know? Then the last few, you're like, yes, you can go to the mall at
Another
midnight.
thing of chocolate.
Oh. I bit myself.
Did you drop it?
Yeah.
I love the inside. I don't know what's inside of it.
I don't like that. It's false advertising. It's not fudge.
It might be like vanilla.
1 out of 5. It wasn't fudge.
I'm gonna give it a 4. I kind of like it.
It's like white on the inside.
It's not caramel colored. We're going for those ones. We have been looking forward to these Watsits.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. That's what it looks like.
Watsit?
Watsits.
It's like Maltesers. I don't know.
They're
so good.
I know. Now, like, revise my answer.
Abolishment. It's now a 5. Bonus round! We have 2 more snack things that were from breakfasts in Italy. This is from the first couple days we were in Italy. Check out my travel vlogs to maybe see these in a breakfast or 2. But this one is called Il Gran Turchesi. And it's 100% Italiana. Oh, there's 2 in it.
Oh, good.
It's a cracker waffle. Croffle. I don't like that at all.
I give it a 2.
I don't know, thinking about it for like breakfast rather than like a snack, maybe. I don't know. It tastes like whole grainy.
Yeah. I guess most of like the cookie things we're trying probably should be eaten with
Something else.
But we did not like those.
Oh god. The final round.
We have these Le Dorate biscuits from Italy. Golden rusks. It's from Berea.
Ooh. Yeah, this one was from the hostel breakfast. The other one I'm pretty sure was from the hotel.
Okay. This is crumbling.
It's been in my backpack for like 3 weeks.
It looks kind of like a piece of toast, like the full thing looks like a piece of bread, but it's broken.
Perfect. It's a crouton.
Like a 0. It's like a crouton, but if you didn't flavor it.
It's really crunchy.
I don't know how that's a breakfast item.
Yeah.
It's pictured with jam.
Oh.
I wouldn't want this with jam. It tastes like a crouton.
Yeah. Maybe I'll put it in my salad, but that looks like it.
Those were our snacks.
Yeah. I can show you the remnants of them. Nice. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Put all that. Delicious.
I know. I got the orange one.
Yeah! They're so gross! What was your favorite, Maya?
I like the Wotsits, which contradicts everything I said. The caramel. It's called like eclair or something. And I like the toffee flavor of this one, but I just got the orange one, so that's
It's really not good.
What was your favorite?
I like the Wotsits. What did I give a 5? Oh, the egg. I like the egg a lot. I think that like I would sooner reach for Wotsits than the egg. I like savory things more than I like sweet things. But yeah, now we're gonna go play with our freaking toys that we got. I don't know where my monkey went.
My car's right here.
See you later!